So I've just received this jewelry making kit from Shangnilu, and I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I'm a little new to jewelry making, so I'm going to be kind of learning how to do this. And it's got this bead board, I guess, for organizing your beads. It's got all these tools, so if you're a beginner and you don't know what you need, this set comes with so many things. You're going to have probably everything that you need to start jewelry making. So it also comes with a couple sets of beads. So I'm going to be using those. So let's go over some of the tools that are in the kit and see what they do. Okay. So it comes with wire cutting pliers, round pliers, chain pliers, as well as crimping pliers, and these little tools for helping you thread your needle. It also comes with this bead board, and you'll see there's measurements along the bead board for measuring the length of your necklace, a measuring tape, transparent elastic stretchy jewelry wire, a 4-pack of different size needles, sewing needles. There's also this box with 12 compartments of different size jump rings for connecting charms to or pendants to bracelets and necklaces. And here is a pair of thread snippers. And there's a couple of these little pointed tools here and a measuring device. And I think that's about everything. There might have been a couple items I forgot, but anyway, it also comes in this really nice zip-up case to keep everything protected and all together so you don't lose your items. Anyway, let's go ahead and make a bracelet. I'm going to try this. I'm not very good, but I'm learning.